How's it going, ladies and gents? It's Flack. Before I go any further, I'm just going to say that I am very aware that people do not like, or some people do not like these Streetglow exhaust tips. They consider them gay. To no tip could like its own sex. They even know I had genitals. But yeah, if you don't like this, don't say anything mean about it. You don't need to do that. Just say you don't like it. At one angle, you can actually see the exhaust. It's you can see it actually getting lit up by the exhaust fumes. Once the exhaust gets hotter, it's like 50 degrees out, which I think equates to 10 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure. I'm not the professional at Celsius to Fahrenheit. That was just from memory. Yeah, now you can barely, ever so slightly see it with the naked eye. It's being lit up, but at a different angle. Wow, dang, that's crazy. It basically looks like fire is coming out of the exhaust. If you look at it a certain way, and if you just take a quick glance at it. There you go, perfect angle. Damn, that is beautiful. It's a shame that people have to make fun of others since they do not like these tips or they think they're silly looking. If they're silly looking, you might as well just say that I don't like the look of it, instead of have to make fun of people. That's what I don't get. Yeah, right now. Yeah, at that angle with the naked eye, you can see it a little bit. But at this angle, holy sh... Yeah, I've had this tip for a while, by the way, so it's definitely broken in. I'm gonna see if the car's warmed up. Nah, it's not. It's, yet again, it's very cool, cold out, rather. Yeah, it's, it'd be more comfortable if I was wearing a hoodie. Yeah, now it's kind of disappearing. Don't know why. Is it getting colder? No, that's warm. Okay, now it's yeah, it's camera's not picking up very well, but you can easily notice that with the human eye. This is, I guess, the intended look that Streetglow wanted for the exhaust. And I have to say they did a very good job. Let me see if the engine's warmed up. Needle's raised up a little bit, but I don't want to risk it damaging anything. That would suck. Yeah. That wouldn't be good. Okay, there we're at about the same height of the exhaust, which may be 8 inches high. That needle's getting closer, so stick around. Very well built exhaust, by the way. I'm not sure if you've seen my Streetglow review, Streetglow exhaust tip review, but very, very well built. I did a little research, and it's actually a stainless steel they use, not chrome. So, well, basically it gives you the same look, but I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure that stainless steel is a little stronger than chrome. I could be wrong. I'll just do a quick little tap. Oh, there you go. That's the intended effect. Camera's not picking it up very well. But yeah, now you can see that the exhaust is definitely lit up. Alright, yet again, if you're a person that don't like these, no need to say anything nasty. Just say you don't like them. Alright, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.